To check your transaction history on Toptal, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform and find the information you need quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard. Look for the menu options available on the left side of the screen. Step 3. Access the billing section. In the menu, find and click on the billing section. This area contains all financial information related to your account, including transaction history. Step 4. View transaction history. Within the billing section, look for an option labeled Transaction History or Payment History. Click on it to view a detailed list of all your transactions. Step 5. Filter or download information. If needed, use any available filters to narrow down your search by date or type of transaction. You may also have the option to download your transaction history for your records. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Toptal. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Toptal support for assistance.